Good day everyone. We are the Group 1. We are to present the student attendance record system. Together with my groupmates, Castañeda Ediloid, Evangelista Anthony, Malong Marilyn, Oconer Kurt Axel, and Reyes Arnold. The topics that we will discuss are overview, problems and objectives, scope, database design, user interface, and lastly, the conclusions and recommendation. I am Georgia Rico and I will discuss the introduction. Attendance monitoring plays a significant role and it is the first activity that happens in every class. Some of the professors use manual methods like calling names to monitor the attendance. And this method is time consuming and there is a possibility to have an error when counting the wrong number of attendances. And because of that, we propose the student attendance record system. This system will allow the teachers to mark and view the attendance status of any respective students and ensure the accurate attendance record of students.
Good day. I'm Oconer and I'm going to discuss the problem statement and objectives. First, most of the attendance systems that are being used in universities are still written on a piece of paper. The method of using paper or record book in recording the attendance is not flexible because there is a chance of losing the records. Second, struggling in keeping the records because it is hassle to the ones in charge in recording the attendance. We have objectives. Our objective is to create a system that will allow professor to make the attendance monitoring more accurate and to automatically calculate the attendance of students. In using the attendance record system, the professor can easily monitor the punctuality of students and they can record the attendance without worrying that the record may lose.
So first of all, my name is Anthony D. Evangelista and this is my presentation. This presentation is talk about the scope. So let's start. Scope is the system is intended to manage the attendance of the student in the class. So it will have the following features. So first is class list. Class list, the system is available to create a list of students along the schedule of and professor assignment. Second is absent management. Apart from monitoring the attendance, the system will help to manage the absence of the student. Third is reporting. Reporting is the system will generate a summary report of attendance of student in a day.
And I'm reporting for ERD diagram and schema. For our ERD diagram for class list and attendance record, based on 3NF we develop the following entity relationship diagram. First, the class list. Student can have one more student schedule in every weeks. In student schedule, students can have one or more schedule in every sem. And also the professors can handle one or more student schedule in every section. And last, for the attendance record system, every student can have one more student attendance. On schedule can have one or more student attendance and subjects. Also, the professor can have one or more schedule in every section. For creating database schema, our schema creates using MySQL, includes the codes of every table having a primary key to link as a foreign key and to connect the tables together. And we also add the data in every rows and tables.
My name is Castañeda and I'm part of the Group 1 and I'm here to discuss about the user interface and the user interface flow. First up is to discuss about the user interface flow, which consists of student attendance record system, followed by the professor, followed by the maintain class and attendance records. That's all for the user interface flow, and let's move on to the interfaces of our program. First up is the main menu form, which consists of homepage, class list, attendance record, and summary report. Upon moving from the main menu form, you can access the class list of the program, which consists of search professor name, professor ID, and professor name, as well as with the editing of schedule, subject, and student. Next up in the user interface is the attendance form, which consists of attendance day, which can edit the date and the schedule ID of the students along with their status if they are present, absent, or excused. Next up is the summary report of our program, which consists of schedule ID, attendance day, and total present, total absent, and total excused, which can be shown if you have to press a button. And that will be all for our user interfaces.
Good day, everyone. I am Marilyn Malong, and I will discuss the conclusion and recommendation of our student attendance record system. So our conclusion of student attendance record system has been developed, replacing the manual checking of our professors in student attendance class. In building and making the system for student attendance, we encountered first some discussion on how the system works. This system is developed using MySQL that refers, analyze the information needed of the students. And also, we developed the system in Visual Basic that meets our objective to build a system to lessen the time of professor checking attendances. But there are still some things to improve the system. As our recommendation, we recommend for further study the system to improve the student attendance record system. Thank you.